Hi guys, welcome back in this new video. This is Soheb and you are watching SaaS Reviews with Soheb. So if you are looking for a platform which can help you to create professional digital marketing dashboard and report in a snap, so this video is for you. With this tool, you can analyze your all digital marketing platforms on same platform, which means I'm gonna review one tool that will help you to do all these things on same platform, means all in one, right? So watch this video till the end so that you can get clear idea about this tool, how you can use it and how this tool is helpful for you. Okay, in this video I'm gonna review Reportee. If you have ever been an overactive group chat or your family that's Thanksgiving dinner, you know what it's like dealing with information overload. But when it comes to digital marketing, you need all that information to make sure you are leveraging contact and effectively as possible, right? If only you didn't have to waste time manually collecting data, so you could focus on strategizing with your clients, right? So you can go through Reportee. Okay, so if you want Reportee, you can use it with this tool. What you can do, I will tell you. Reportee lets you quickly generate and analyze reports and dashboard across all your digital marketing channels. You can connect your digital marketing channels to Reportee to save time collecting and analyzing all the data that powers your business. In just a few clicks, Reportee lets you generate detailed reports and dashboard to present to your team and clients. You can create templates packed with the most important materials for your marketing strategy, which can also be reused for other projects. That way you will have more time to focus on expanding your customer base and improving the quality of your service, right? So I will show you how you can do all these things. So for that, we will go in my Reportee dashboard. So now I'm in the dashboard of Reportee. So how you can do this thing, just after coming this dashboard, you have to click on new client. Then you can create your client profile. Then you have to choose reporting language. You can pick English, Brazilian, Portugal, French and Spanish. So I'll go with English. And now you have to click on create client and move forward. Okay, after that, what you will do, make your first integration. So easily you can integrate your all social media accounts, your all digital platforms, which will help you to generate your business, right? So if you want to integrate Facebook, so just simply you have to click on integrate Facebook. Now you have to give the password and click on continue. And now you have to choose your business page which you want to use for your work purpose. So I'll go with Digital Soheb, and as well as I can integrate my Instagram account also. So I'll go with this as well. Click on integrate. The Instagram business account was integrated. Click on OK. So now our Instagram and Facebook is integrated with this tool. If you want to integrate some more platforms, so you can add your Facebook ads, like you have to click on integrate, give the password of your Facebook ID, click on continue, choose your ads account, and now you have integrated, right? And as like this, you can integrate your Google Analytics, Google Analytics 4, Google Ads, Twitter will coming soon, Facebook, YouTube channel, LinkedIn ads, RD station, Google Search Console, Google My Business, and MailChimp also. You can easily integrate and you can track your client data. You can track all these things. Okay, for that, you can manage your team. If you will go with team, so you can invite them through email. Okay, and if you will go with client data, so you can check your client data here. And as well as what you can do, just go with whenever you will click on your client process, so just you can check your reports. You can create your first report. If you want create your dashboard, so you can create timeline, you can create first event, and if you want to set up your automation, so you can create first automation also. Just you have to click and you can automate the data weekly, fortnightly, monthly, and start of the day, end of the day, set time manually, automation title name. Okay, and just click on advance. So you can go through that. So many more works you can do with this tool. This tool is easy to use, okay, as well as helpful for integration. Easily in just 2 to 3 clicks you can integrate your all digital platform with this tool, and you can use this, and all the reports and all the setup you can check, right? So if you want to grab this tool, so you can buy this tool from directly their official website. The price point is, if you will go with basic plan, so you have to pay $14.5 monthly. If you will go with intermediate, so $24.5 monthly. If you will go with advanced, so $44.50 monthly. If you will go with custom plan, so you have to pay $64.50 monthly. So you can go through that. But if you want this tool for lifetime, so I have an amazing deal for you. You can buy this tool from AppSumo Marketplace. AppSumo is a leading digital marketplace for entrepreneurs where you can find all the digital tools for your businesses. You can automate your entire businesses with the help of these tools, right? If you will buy this tool from AppSumo Marketplace, so you will get this tool only at just $59. You have to pay one time and you can access this tool for a lifetime. They have 3 license plans: license tier 1, tier 2, tier 3. If you will go with tier 1, so you have to pay $59. If you will go with tier 2, so you have to pay $119. If you will go with tier 3, so you have to pay $179, and you can generate your code. All the features they also have mentioned here. You can read them, and as well as they are giving you 60 days money back guarantee also. If you are not satisfied with this tool after buying, you can get back your refund, right? And all the details you can read here, and rating, reviews if you want to check. So all the stuffs they have already mentioned, right? Because AppSumo is a reputed digital marketplace for entrepreneurs, right? So if you want to grab this, I have mentioned the link in my video description, so you can go through that link. Whenever you will click on that link, so you will be redirected on this landing page. After coming this landing page, you can buy your tool and you can use it, and you can get benefits with the help of this tool. This was the review video about this tool. That was my opinion, thought process about this tool. If you want to know more about this tool, so you can check video description, and as well as you can search on your own. Thanks for watching this video. If you want to grab it, so you can grab it, and if you have any query, any doubt, so let me know in the comment box. I'll try to explain you something more about this tool. And thanks for watching again. I'll see you soon in another one. For till now, bye bye, and take care of yourself.